Very nervous as per usual. I was always suffered with nerves before the games, and some people say it's good, some people say it's bad, but hopefully it'll be good tonight. I think everybody got to understand again who we're playing against, monetary wise and their job wise. You know, we got part-time boys playing, they got full-time players playing on good money in the National League. So we're playing for a bit of pride for the Cymru Premier to say we're definitely improving. You know, they're good kids. I mean, I named the team this morning at 11 o'clock and 3 of them want to kill me, or 4 of them want to kill me, but that's football management, isn't it? One thing is squads together.
We've got to go and show them what we're all about. We've got to go and show them what we're all about. Can we cope with the physicality? We're as good as anybody if we perform on the day. We've got every chance of creating history again, right? It's down to you now, right? You're the kings. Let's be the kings of Altrincham tonight, okay? All of that. Come on! Come on! I've done lucky. We've had 2 chances, they've had 1. It's gone back of net. Keep going, dig in, believes in yourself. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Come on. Set pieces, set pieces. I am so proud of everyone. The chips were down. The chips were down. We asked you to respond, and you responded man for man. Well done. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Hey.